Hi everyone, this is Kathy Grosskirch with Bookkeeping Clean and Simple here in Austell, Georgia, near Metro Atlanta. And today we are in part 4 of my series of setting up a brand new QuickBooks Online file. And as you can see, we're in the chart of accounts, and you can see that the QuickBooks balances, I had to do some work, and you can't see this right now, but I'll show you what I had to do for these, and especially what I had to do for the credit card. So why don't we go ahead and start off with the opening balance equity register first, so I can show you what I did in there. As you remember that the statement dates, I had to adjust those to reflect the ending dates for those statements because they didn't post exactly right when I brought those transactions over. So I had to adjust the dates and change those to 12/31/2020 for both the checking and the savings. But for the Fidelity Rewards Visa, I actually went back and dated that 12/14/2020 because of this amount that I had to go in here and adjust. And as you can see, I had to do an adjustment in the LGE checking. So let me go into that transaction so you can see what I did. And based on the 12/60/13 that I had to adjust for the credit card payment transaction that I'll show you in just a little bit, I had to adjust that to bring this amount to 5466.05. But when you go into the register for the checking account, you'll see that it all balances out. So why don't we just go back to the chart of accounts and I'll show you that real quick. So let's go into the register for the checking. And as you can see, there's that adjustment that I made for that, because remember, it actually came through as 4205.92, which was correct technically. But since I had to make this adjustment in there for the payment of that credit card account in full, then basically these offset one another to bring that total back down to 4205.92. So hopefully that makes sense to you. Let's go back to our chart of accounts, and now I want to show you what happened in our Fidelity Rewards account. And again, when I go down here, and you can see that opening balance equity line item that I showed you before from the opening balance equity register, you can see that I did change the date of that to 12/14/2020, and I had to adjust the amount for that to 1260.13. And then I also entered all these transactions here manually. These are all the transactions from the statement that I talked about that I had to enter manually. And then I also entered that Fidelity Visa payment of that bill in full, which is why I had to do the adjustment in the checking account. But then all these other transactions I just pulled from the banking center banking fee. Now, if you look at the 12/31/2020 balance in the register, this matches the amount that is on the balance sheet that we're going to be using for our adjustments. So hopefully that makes sense to you. I'm going to go back over here to the chart of accounts. So we're at a point now that I can go ahead and start working with this opening balance equity amount and distributing those among the other balance sheet accounts in here in the profit and loss accounts. So that way we can go ahead and make sure that our totals are correct for the starting date of 1/1/2021, which I'll do next time. So anyway, I hope this helps y'all today. Y'all take care, everybody, and have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and share it with others. My goal is to publish at least one new video per week on QuickBooks desktop or online topics, the occasional motivational video, and a few surprises thrown in here and there. I would love to talk to you about how to help you optimize your knowledge and usage of QuickBooks desktop or online. My Calendly link is in the slide. Please use that to reach out to me to schedule a free 45-minute initial consult. I would love to talk to you about your QuickBooks desktop or online training needs. Again, have a wonderful day, and until next time, we'll see you soon. Take care.